Struggling with edge bubbles in fabric laminated glass? A client encountered edge bubbles when laminating thin, delicate fabric glass. To find out the cause, we conducted 30 rounds of testing. We've also summarized the most common pitfalls when processing fine fabrics. Be sure to watch it to the end. Our first test replicated the client's exact process, holding at 16 degrees for 20 minutes, then 125 degrees for 60 minutes. Using the same parameters in a lab furnace had the same edge bubbles. This ruled out equipment faults, directing our focus to optimizing the process parameters. For the second test, we lowered the temperature and slowed the heating rate. The adjustment had bubble-free glass edges, proving that process optimization works. However, when the client applied this new recipe, the bubbles were reduced but not completely disappeared. Why did the same recipe work differently? Because differences in ramp rates, temperature sensing, thermal control, and internal airflows vary across different equipments. The glass made by different equipment is just different. To solve this once and for all, we run the third test. First, we analyzed the materials. We found that the shrinkage rate of the fabric was as high as 3 to 4%, and the moisture content was also too high. To fix this, we pre-baked the fabric before laminating to trigger pre-shrinkage and remove moisture. We also switched to our low-flow EVA film. This compilation completely eliminated the edge bubbles in the client production line. Our recommendations: when laminating delicate, thin, or loose woven lateral fabrics, which are less stable, pay close attention to the following. First, store fabrics in a climate-controlled environment to prevent moisture absorption. Second, pre-bake and pre-shrink the fabrics to minimize shrinkage. Third, control the ramp rate to prevent temperature overshoot and ensure uniform heating. Fourth, use low-flow EVA film to prevent fabric distortion caused by resin flow. Follow us for more technical insights on laminated glass. Hello friends, bridging walls, building bonds.